my mountain.
Good dinner, Brody?
Huh?
Good dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit hot?
Huh?
Is it hot?
Huh?
Hot, yeah. Looks some good. Looks some tasty.
It is. Now when you hear your baby brother chew his mouth open there.
Are you a noisy eater?
Hmm?
Are you a noisy eater?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You got a little bit of ketchup on your lip.
Huh?
You got some ketchup on your lip.
Uh-huh.
Get some ketchup right here. Yeah. Right around there, yeah.
Now we're ready to fire. Fire!